CHICKEN. That's right, that's a chicken. Do you know chickens can recognize more colors than humans? Their world is absolutely colorful and fascinating. They have beautiful feathers, and of course, chickens love to play, run, skip, and flap their wings. Hence, can recognize people. Also, chickens show rapid eye movement when they sleep. That means they can dream like humans. CHICKEN. Chicken.